What is up, you guys? So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a wig review. So I ordered a human hair wig for my vacation in July, and we're just gonna go through the process of everything. We're gonna test this wig out because this is my first time ordering a human hair wig off of AliExpress. Ignore all the noise I'm making. Here's the wig. It looks good. I don't know. I made a wig and it was a lot thicker than this, but I might just be tripping. We're gonna see. The hair feels nice. It has a weird smell to it, but whatever. Shipping was pretty good. I'm gonna put a link for the hair in the descriptions if you guys want to get this wig or whatever. But yeah, here's kind of like my little view. So what we're gonna go in with today. Ignore everything, okay? Just focus on what I'm doing. This is the only lightener I have. I'm not going to go buy more, but I'm using the Lightmaster V Light. We're only gonna need a little bit, so I'd say probably like about half a scoop-ish. Also, you should be using a scale, but at this point, I kind of know what I'm doing. And I'm using 20 volume because it's all I have. Alright, you guys. So pretty much the part of this wig that we're going to bleach is going to be the knot. I don't know if you can see the dark. Also going to wash this hair before I put it on because the fuck. Alright, you guys. So I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes and we're going to see what it lifts to. There probably won't be too much lift just because I only use 20 volume and usually people use like 40. But we'll see. I don't need that much because they're not too black. You can just get rid of this. You see, I didn't need that much at all. So, I'll put a little bit more. I'm going to do a little love tap. Because saturation is important. And I'm going to be real mad. Ignore my smacking in the background too. The gum is hitting. Again, I'm just going to leave it here. Make sure lightener does not get on your fucking wig or else you're going to be mad. Because that wig right there was, whoa. That wig was about $230. It's 28 inches. Little Reese's peanut butter cup moment. But yeah, I'm gonna go put my hair in braids. You guys don't need to see that. If you can braid your own hair. If you can't, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? Because it took me a long time to figure it out, but I got it, okay? Alright. But yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put my hair in like 4 braids. And we're gonna get the wig cap on and everything. I'll do that part on camera. But I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I was gonna put my hair in 6 braids, but then my arms got tired. So we did, 3 braids. I don't need that many. My hair will stay down. Just know if I was doing somebody else's head and putting a wig on them, I would have done like 8. I have my wig cap. My wig is still processing. I also don't know where the hell my got to be spray went. So this is what we're gonna be using today. Just for this part though. Now that that is on. Oh, also, here's what the back looks like. We're gonna just make sure those baby hairs are tucked. Okay, and try and flatten it as much as you can. Okay, we got our stocking cap on. I'm gonna grab our Ghost Bond. Ooh, I can see my baby hairs. Hold up. You don't want that because then you'll rip them out whenever you take your wig off. So we're gonna grab our Ghost Bond adhesive. We're just gonna line it in the spots that you want your, you're gonna cut off everything other than this line that you're making. So now, the fuck the hell? What kind of whack ass fucking blow dryer is this? This is what we're working with so far. I'm gonna I'm gonna go in with this, make a little hole. Careful not to hit yourself. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to these little corners right here because I'm just not feeling secure. So we're gonna let that dry for a sec. I just washed the hair. So we're gonna go in the beauty room. Actually, no, I'm gonna blow dry it real quick. Alright, you guys, so here I'm just spraying the hair down with a little bit of Mizani leave-in conditioning spray. Just to kind of help with the smell a little bit, honestly. And I'm gently brushing the hair because, you know, you don't want to be too aggressive. This hair won't go back. And then I'm just blow drying it a little bit. I didn't fully blow dry it because I was impatient. Don't be like me. Combing the product through with my hands. And now I'm going in with a cheese spray. It's kind of just a lightweight hairspray to really get those baby hairs down, little scraggles. This hair was really good, really soft. Definitely will be buying from this vendor again. Then here, I'm just getting ready to pluck a little bit of the hairline, just to make it look a little bit more natural. And I am also just trying to see like how the baby hairs, how I want the baby hairs to lay, and all of that fun stuff. This part is pretty important if you want it to look the most natural. Can't skip this step. But yeah, that's really all I'm doing here. And on to the next clip. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to put the wig on. I just kind of pinned up the little edges. I left my hot comb at school, so I'm kind of mad, but... And I was gonna iron it on the mannequin, but I can't. I'm so impatient. I just want to put this fucking wig on. It's still a little damp too, but I don't care. Okay. Ooh, girl, hold on. Hold the fuck on. My hairline is all types of weird. So, I have a little ass fucking forehead, you guys. That's okay. That's fine. I don't even care. So now what we're gonna do is go back in with that Ghost Bond gel. Okay, y'all. We're also gonna bring this down here and kind of fold that up a little. And also, y'all, this is my first time applying a wig this way. So don't even judge me like I'm judging myself right now. Okay. Okay. So that seems tacky enough. I don't want it to be like too tacky. I need my mirror for this. I'm gonna just really make sure this is secure. All right, you guys, so here's where we're at. Okay, I had to whatever, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I had to do. We're gonna act like everything was perfect. So, actually no, I'm gonna go in with my razor. I feel like the razor just gives it a more natural. You can always take more lace off. You cannot put more lace on, okay? Press it down with your comb. Really just secure that lace. Okay, so this is what we're working with, kind of. Unclip everything. So now we're gonna grab our little baby hairs. So now we're gonna lay our edges. Alright guys, so now that we're here, ooh, I feel like a bad bitch. Hold on. We're gonna just lay our edges real quick. So I'm just using this Black Panther Strong, Edge Tamer, Braid Tamer, all the Tamers. Okay. And then just grab the little baby hairs that we made. So these edges are a little long. So I'm just gonna go a little shorter. I'm not about to be looking crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna grab our little guy right here. I got foundation all over this hoe. Really underestimated how long this was gonna take. I thought it was gonna be quick, easy. Hell motherfucking no. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll come back. Alright you guys, it is time to do our reveal. I straightened the wig a little bit. Oh, did I lay my edges on camera? I don't know. This is pretty much the final. Okay, you really would have to stare at my shit right here. But yes, you guys, so here's the wig. I picked this wig also because I've never gotten like a colored wig like this. But yes, just to really show you guys. Okay, so yes. So yeah, this is the final look. Alright you guys, well, thank you for coming to this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. I give this install a 7 out of 10 just because I still have some things that I need to work on, obviously. But this is my first human wig that I have purchased and installed, human hair wig. I really like it though, and like I said, the link for this hair will be in the description. I got it off of AliExpress. 28 inches, and this is what I'm going to be wearing to my trip. So yeah, I will see you guys next time, and just let me know if there's anything else that you guys want me to go over or attempt, because I'm not perfect, obviously. But we'll figure it out, okay? We're gonna get better. See, look, you know what? Let me show you guys exactly what the heck I'm seeing. It doesn't even look that bad. It's literally just this little bitch part right here, but you really have to stare like to be questionable about it. Like, you know, from far away it's like okay, but if you're up close and you're really trying to catch my eyes lacking, then I don't know. It's not that bad. I'm dramatic. But definitely need some got to be spray, and definitely take your time and don't half-ass because you will have to go back like I did many times. So yeah. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.